If you are new to the channel, subscribe our channel for latest update. Press the bell icon. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am AutoCAD faculty of ngcc software technologies. So today here we are going to learn about how to correct the clashes in duct system of HVAC in Revit. So let's just start with Revit. So here is the file which we have created in the previous videos. The first video was of placing of ducts, and then the second video for the duct fitting. So till here we have been completed with that fittings and placement of ducts. So now let's just talk about clashes. Clashes meaning the two ducts are intersecting each other. It is known as clashes. So how to correct it? Here is a very easy way to correct the clashes. I'll just show you. So here I'm searching for a duct which is having clashes in it. So yeah, here it is. So look at this duct and this duct, they two are intersecting each other, and here also the same thing. I'll just show you in the 3D view to you. So here we are going to selection box. So look at this, one duct is inserted inside the other duct. So how to correct this clashes, I'll just show you. First of all, I'm going on a first floor and I am making it as till here, and making this as till here. And after this I'm going to click on one duct and press CS to for creating similar duct another side. I have been tried out that to split the duct, but it is not happening, so that's why I have taken here two different ducts on two different sides. So here we have to place, we can't do that clash correction in a 3D view, so we have to provide here a section. So take a section and provide here, right click and go to view. So this is in the fine type, so we have to do it fine so that the ducts are visible clearly. So here just click here, right click here and draw a duct, and it comes in 360 degree, and I am drawing this. So I am clicking here, but it is not this duct is not creating, because this angle, for this angle we are having an elbow, but for this angle we are not having elbow. That's why it is not taking a horizontal duct. So what we have to do is, I am clicking here Control Z, and first of all I have to go to its properties. So go to edit type and then go to here edit. As we have seen in the first video that we did some changes here, like from T2 tab we have taken here, and here it should be beveled. And the thing is, even after this you are not able to do that creation here. I'll show you. Right click, draw duct, and here one is coming, but here, yeah. So that's how that we can do it with the bevel one. And okay, so this is a very small angle, we have to somewhat we have to move from here. Just to move this, and again draw a duct and click here. Oh, this is not happening. So again we have to load all that elbows. First of all I'll just take here again a duct, we have to keep some distance between them so that it will be easy to draw this, create this. So click, right click and draw duct. So here it is. So again this is not clicking, so go to that edit type and click on a duct first and then go to edit type and edit here again. Yes, this is bevel, but we have to do the extra editing in this properties is for this slash correction. So we have to go to load family and here go to ducts fittings and we are doing rectangular ducts. So here we go to elbows and here select all the elbows. It will not take all the elbows at a time, so I'm taking first 5 at a time. Open. So this is how they are loading. Overwrite the version, overwrite, and here in the elbows we have all type of elbows here loaded. So as here is a tab bevel, we have been provided here tab bevel, so it will take automatically whatever the elbow is suitable for that situation. We don't have to change any elbow or anything. So here again I'm deleting this and now taking this, right click and draw duct. This is and this is. So this is how we have created this, and now as move to the intersecting duct to decrease the size. So here the correction is done. We just changed the root of one duct. So now let's just see in the 3D view. I'm going to first floor and here I'm just taking go to selection box. Same thing we have to do with this duct also. So now I hope that you all get to know about the correction of flashes, and now here I am going to show you the exhaust duct. You may all absorb somewhere out of the hotels or restaurants the elevated duct which release the exhaust air outside. So this elevated duct, exhaust duct are planned out in a way that it release out from the restaurant and hotels or else in through the shaft. So here one connection is given in the shaft So here it is. So this is a shaft, this cross mark shaft, and here we are releasing the exhaust air from the shaft. So now click here, this is the cross, so this is showing here is a elevated duct. So I have to place a section here. Let's just see if it is happening with section. So from here I have said you that go to find. Now from here we have to draw a elevated duct. So right click, draw duct, and going up. As it is inserted in a wall, so we have to move this way. And now it should be like we have to go to terrace. So now I'm going to the terrace level, and the other duct, like other ducts which are on another floors, like third floor duct will be connected here with a horseshoe fitting, and another duct at fourth floor connected here with the horseshoe fitting. And now here I'm going to terrace level, go on terrace level, and here is the duct which we have created, and take this, right click, and again draw a duct, and here I am releasing it. So this is how. And now we have to like provide here AHU. So again I'm going to the terrace level, and here load family, insert load family, mechanical MEP, so air side components, and here air handling units. So which one we can take here is so here I am taking outdoor AHU as I am providing it on terrace. So select this and open, and from here in the families, so here in the mechanical equipment, air handling unit, and I am taking it. No, not this one, not even this one, not even this one, not even this one. So this one we have loaded outdoor unit, and here I have been provided this. Connected. So we have to first align this in the front view and the top view. So here I'm going to modify menu and take the align, So to align these two ducts, we require their access. So as we have selected here, align, it is not showing their access because of we have to change the type of view. So we are going to wireframe and here select this align and click on the axis. So this is how it is aligned, and that too on a terrace level we have to align in this way only. So go to wireframe, here it is not giving an option of that. And now in the section 2 I am like connecting them. That's it. And here select this 60-degree angle. So this is how AH is also connected, and now I am going to the first floor. In this video we have been completed with the elevated exhaust duct and the AHU and the clashes. So here let's just see the complete system in the 3D view. Here I am selecting it. Go to selection. So this is how the system is. The green one is return system and the blue one is supply duct, and here is the duct which is releasing. So now if you want, if the system is same for every floor, then you can copy it with the help of copy to clipboard. And here now I'll just show you how is the exhaust duct in real. So I'm going to chrome here, and here we want exhaust duct. So this is the elevated part of exhaust duct to release that exhaust air in the atmosphere. And here it is coming out of some terrace as we have given. So completed with the AH. Thank you for watching.